Hey, what's up?
Hey, can you make me some shelves for the shiplap wall in our bathroom?
How many shelves are you wanting?
I think I want 2, and I want them stained to match the floor.
Okay, I think I can make something for you.
Okay, thanks.
So I had this 2x6 laying around, and I decided this would make a great floating shelf. I'm marking the holes here that I'm going to drill for the brackets. Alright, in order to make the hole perfect, I clamped everything down so nothing would move. You can see my clamp right there on the left. I would highly recommend doing that when you're drilling, just to make sure that hole is perfectly straight. This is the hardware that I'm going to be using for my floating shelf. I found this on Amazon and it was very affordable. I'll put the link in the description below so you can purchase it if you're interested. And here what I'm doing is I'm putting the mounting bracket in the hole and I'm drawing an outline around it so I can use my router here in just a minute to cut it out. This is my new router. I just picked this up and this is the first time that I'm using it on a project, and I have to say I loved using this. It's super simple, it's easy to change the bits, and I picked up this little bit set at the hardware store. It was on sale too, so I was super excited to play with this for the first time. And I'll put a link of that in the description below to this specific router in case you're interested in picking one up yourself. Alright, now everything's tightened. I'm going to be adjusting the depth to make sure that I'm only taking out the right amount of wood out of my project. I don't want to go too deep. So here I am, I'm putting everything in my clamp so everything's nice and flush, and now I'm setting the router and I'm going to take out all of this. When I took out all this material, it was actually my favorite thing that I did in the entire project. Alright, now that I've cut everything out, I'm cleaning it off here and I'm going to test fit the bracket, make sure it fits in flush, and it does. I'm using an early American Varethane stain. This has become my favorite color for most of my projects. Here's a really great tip. For small projects, use a clear gloss spray paint rather than a polyurethane spray. It'll save you a lot of money and you'll achieve the same results. The installation with the hardware is pretty easy. You just have to know where you're going to put it, make some marks, drill some holes, and make sure everything aligns. Be sure to use a level when you're doing this. If you want to know how I made the shiplap wall, I'll put a link to that video right here and in the description. Next, you just slide the shelf right on the brackets and you're done. Now it's time to get Samantha to show her the shelves.
Oh, these look awesome. Thank you so much. I can't wait to start decorating.
Awesome.